In this video, I'm going to show you the Magic Magnet from Bust Out Products. Now these things are gorgeous and they're very high quality. The imagery on here is just spectacular. This is one we did for the Grand Canyon National Park. Now, these aren't the flimsy magnets that you see on some people's refrigerator. These are firm. They're actually very stable. In the back, there's room to even put a message. This is a magnet we did for the Grand Canyon National Park. It tells you a little bit about the park right on the back sticker here. These are gorgeous magnets. Anyone would be proud to have on their refrigerator. You're going to love these things, and the minimums are only 40 pieces. So check these out. Give us a call, see what we can do for you. You're going to love the Magic Magnet from Bust Out Products.